Good day, everyone, and welcome again to the mighty Manawatu. What a beautiful summer day. You can see I just have a haircut, and thanks again to the great Junius Ong who did a perfect job on my hair. So, today in this video, I am going to answer one of my followers' question. His name is Te Ahure, and he wants to know how does square root works. He actually wants to know how do you find the square root of 2. So without further ado, let's do it on a piece of paper. Good day. In this video, we are going to learn how to understand the meaning of a square root. A square root means if you have a number, square root of a number, you need to get two separate numbers or two different numbers that multiply to give this number. So for example, if we have the first question, square root of 25. 25 is a square number, so it's easy. So we need to know that to get the square root of 25, you get the same number, two numbers that multiply to give you 25, and that is 5 and 5. So the answer is 5. You take one of the answer out, and the answer is 5. But if you go to level 1 or even in year 10, you need to know that that's not the only answer. It could also be the square root of minus 5 times minus 5, and then you take the one of the numbers out, is going to be minus 5. So the answer for square root 25 is actually plus 5 or negative 5. Or in math, we're going to write as plus minus 5. So if you are in year 9, don't worry, just do the positive integer. But when you go to year 10 and year 11 and onwards, you need to know that the square root of any number is the plus minus of the square number, which is plus minus 5. So by now, you should know how to do the square root of 100. Square root of 100 is two numbers that multiply to give you 100. So the answer is going to be 10 and 10. 10 times 10 is 100, so the answer is 10. Similarly, you can also do minus 10 times minus 10. If you put your calculator, minus 10 times minus 10 is also 100. So the answer is minus 10. So the answer for square root of 100 is actually plus minus 10. So but you are in year 9, 10 will be acceptable. So now the question by Te Aruhe, what is the square root of 2? 2 is not a square number. So you need to find what two numbers that multiply by itself to give you 2. There's no numbers, but that's why we need to use the calculator. I bring the calculator here. So we're going to put 2 and the square root button, and the answer is going to be 1.4142, and then 1.4142, and then take one of them out, it's going to be 1.4142, and again it could also mean minus 1.4142 times negative 1.4142, because minus become a positive, and the answer is minus 1.4142. If you are in NCEA level 1, they expect you to know it's going to be the square root of 2, it's going to be plus minus 1.4142. Hopefully you understand it, Te Auhe, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.